2023.38.6 is out. Basically, that's minor bug fixes. The main one was 2023.38. Now, that has got a multiplayer vampire survivor game. You can team up, mow down swarms of the undead with co-op gameplay for up to 4 players. Now, you need to obviously be in park to play games, and this does require 1 controller per player. So I don't play the games on here. You play these when you're parked somewhere or waiting for a charge, that sort of thing. Okay, so the next one is location sharing. So an icon will appear at the top of the touchscreen when an app requests your vehicle's live location data. You can turn off sharing going into controls, safety, allow mobile access. Now this turns off Tesla app access as well, and I would personally prefer to keep that on. So when this setting is on, your vehicle communicates directly with the Tesla app and other apps, but Tesla does not track your location. A lot of people seem to think that you're being tracked all the time. Let me tell you something. If you've got an Apple phone or an Android phone, you're being tracked the whole time. And the last one here is the windows in your car during an update. When a vehicle software update is occurring, the windows may adjust minimally so that the doors open and close more easily. Windows will return to position after the update. So basically, when the car is updating and you try to get into the car, the computer is busy. So the windows normally will just drop down a little bit. When you close, will drop up. So what this is doing is a safety feature for the window and the rubber surround. It's dropping them down slightly so that you can open and close the door easily without worrying about any problems. So that's it. It's not a major update. It's a minor update, I would have said. An extra game, location sharing, and windows going up and down. And the .6 is just a bug update. So there you have it. 2023.38.6. Thank you very much.